So the police came.
Last time on Dragon Ball Z.
Hey there. Bet you didn't think you'd see my face again. At first I wasn't really convinced about this makeup look, to be honest. But then, like, I finished and I was like, yeah! Today is February 8th, 2017. So anyways, like, my car got stolen, so there's that. Y'all know this is my favorite filter. Call my dealership, let them know that the car has been stolen as well. Right, they didn't care. They were just like, okay, okay, girl. Next. Hey, look at Swayze. Look at her new tattoo.
Y'all not worried about what y'all talking about. Y'all talking about tattoos and stuff.
I mean, here's the thing. It's not like we're not worried. It's just that when you live your life a certain way, when you are deep into your spirituality, or whenever you have come to terms with the way that life on planet Earth operates, or just when you have trust in whatever religion or spiritual practice that you have, you know how to see when things are being set up for the greater good. And I really feel like that's what happened. I quit my job.
My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage.
Is there anything that goes with back? Do they say anything with that? Oh my God. Why do you hate me? About to graduate with my marketing degree, which is awesome and has been a long time coming. So today, Virgil Abloh got announced as the new creative director for menswear of Louis Vuitton. Look, all this mess about it's eclipse season and woo 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 and all this other shit, and we've been under eclipse season for a couple weeks, or eclipse energy for a couple weeks, and all this other stuff. Let me tell you something, okay? I'm tired of eclipse. I don't take naps. Me and
6.5 hours later.
Hello, people. Ashley's making me record myself. I look terrible. Why does it sound like she's complaining? What?
I was like, why does it sound like you're complaining?
I am.
Why are you mad?
Because.
Day 2.
Okay. We are currently up on a smaller mountain of sorts. And this right here is the view. We are in the city of Alpine, Texas. It is tiny as shit, not gonna lie. But it's really pretty and the people are nice. Kind of nice to be away from the city where people are mean all the time. They are. It's the truth. Let's onward!
Day
So,
3.
This is Janetti. Used to be walking in itchy grass. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swayze. Happy birthday to you.
End of flashback.